Jared with IPD here today to talk to you about a new IPD exclusive product. Today I'm going to be talking about our lower torque mount for P1 chassis models. This is going to cover our S40, V50, C30, and C70 models. This is a billet aluminum mount, which we've anodized yellow, and we've put a polyurethane bushing in. You'll notice that one of the nuts on this is actually recessed within the mount. This makes it so you don't have to run a wrench on this side when installing it. Makes it a little bit easier to install under the car. This bushing also has 8 air voids within it. This is designed to reduce noise, vibration, and harshness. But for the performance-minded enthusiast that wants to feel a little bit more of the engine, we also offer a kit, which is 8 Delrin rods, which you can use to fit into this mount. You can either run it just out of the box, or you can run up to 8 of these to really firm this thing up. We have these on the shelf now. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our number is 800-444-6473.